Hello, Hail Stalkers. This is Derek Klein coming to you from the Hail Palace. We're going to take a look at the 7-day hail outlook for May 11th through the 17th. Looks like we have another active week. We're going to start things out a little slower, but they'll pick up as we head into the end of the week and towards the weekend. So let's go ahead and jump right on in, taking a look at the forecast for Monday, May 11th. We've got a large area really stretching across the Ohio Valley, across Kentucky, Tennessee, bounces all the way back over here to the East Coast and then stretches down along the Gulf Coast towards southern and central Texas. And we've got two pockets that we're going to watch a little closer. I really would be surprised if there is any significant hail in these areas. There's just not really conditions favorable for large hail really anywhere across the country. But if there is an area that's going to have it, it'll be across central Kentucky and then also back across southwest Texas. So those will be the two pockets that we'll watch, not expecting a whole lot out of those areas. But we'll keep an eye on them, let you know if anything happens in those areas. As we head through Tuesday, again, we've got another area similar. It kind of sags to the south and east a little bit more, but we've got one area that we're going to watch a little more instability across southeast Texas, Louisiana, and southern Mississippi. Again, I don't expect much in the way of hail. So if we do have large hail, this is the most likely area that it will occur. And then we could have some isolated hail up across the southeast as we go through Tuesday afternoon. As we head into Wednesday, we're going to watch a disturbance that's actually going to kick in from the southwest. It's going to cause a lot of heavy rain across Oklahoma and Kansas. That'll actually stabilize the atmosphere across this part of the country. But just off to the east, we'll have a pocket that we'll watch for the potential of some quarter, maybe $half size hail. And then we've got a second disturbance that's actually going to swing up from the mountains, and it's actually going to cause at least the potential for some isolated hail up towards Rapid City and the Nebraska Panhandle. So we'll watch those two areas. Again, nothing significant is expected on Wednesday, but we'll keep an eye on it, and if anything changes, of course, we'll let you know on our daily hail forecast that we post. As we head through Thursday, the larger, stronger storm system begins to kick out from the southwest. It'll come out into the plains. Right now, we've got two areas highlighted for the potential for golf ball size hail. That would be South Kansas, southeast Kansas, into southwest Texas. But again, nothing significant is expected, at least for Thursday. Now, if this storm system comes out a little bit quicker, then yeah, we should have some very large hail as we go through Thursday afternoon. If it slows down even more, then we probably won't have any activity at all on Thursday. So Thursday is one that we still have a lot of questions on, and as those become more clear, we'll let you know. And more specifically, in our daily forecast for Thursday, we'll let you know exactly what's going to happen as we go through Thursday and Thursday afternoon. As we get into Friday, we're definitely much more certain, much more clear. Models seem to agree that we are going to have a significant storm system kick out. Now, we haven't highlighted exactly the baseball size region, but Iowa, back into Nebraska, South Dakota, Kansas, and western Oklahoma, potentially as far south as northwest Texas, I expect that we're going to have some really large hail, some of that probably baseball size or larger. We'll have to fine-tune that forecast as we get a little closer to Friday. We're going to have to fine-tune this area to let you know exactly where the largest hail will occur at. And we'll let you know that in our Friday forecast. So when that comes out, we're going to let you know exactly what's going to happen. Now, as we get into Saturday, the entire system comes out into the plains, and when that happens, we get very large hail in the plains. So we're going softball size hail potential from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, all the way down across central Kansas, down into western Oklahoma and northwest Texas. This is very large hail, and it looks likely. So we're going to have the dry line in place, and supercell thunderstorms are going to fire probably from Canada all the way down to Mexico. So we're going to have a lot of storm activity as we go through the day Saturday, and some of those could make it all the way out to the I-35 corridor. So that includes Oklahoma City, that includes Wichita, that includes Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, Nebraska, potentially as far east as Des Moines, Iowa, and Minneapolis. So we'll have to pay close attention to Saturday. Could be a fairly or a very active day as we go through Saturday afternoon. Now, as we get into Sunday, that area really doesn't change a whole lot, shifts just a little bit more to the east. And so now we're going to start to include places like Chicago, St. Louis, Kansas City, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas. So a lot of cities that have not seen any hail yet this year will have the potential for large hail, again up to tennis ball size hail as possible as we go through the day Sunday afternoon. We'll have to fine tune this forecast as we get a little closer, again with our daily forecast. but some areas we're going to have to include some purple or even some blue on this map to cover some of the size of hail that we're expecting as we go through the day on Sunday. So that's your 7-day forecast from HailTrace. If you have any questions, as always, info@hailtrace.com, or you can just give us a call at 855-334-4245. We hope you have a great day.